we've recently just purchased 2 Nakamura Tome machines. We've got these both machines with Filtermist fitted, as the last couple of years we've been really working on improving our coolant and how we manage our coolant and all the health things involved with that. So we really wanted to have the Filtermist there to really help our guys and keep the fog away from the machines. So it's great to remove the fog from the machine. So as the chuck's spinning, it's creating a lot of fog in the coolant. So the centrifugal fan in the Filtermist sucks through the fog, separates the oil and makes that down to a safe place stored, so we're not all breathing it in and getting it all around the workshop. So it's great for our health and the quality of the machine. So you've got to have these now, to look after the health and safety of your guys. Like, we really look after our coolant now to make sure it's safe. It's all tested at a lab every month, weekly tested by us. So again, the fog created can be breathed in and and damage our health. And obviously nowadays our guys are even more important to us because it's so hard to get good guys, so we need to look after them. So obviously the Filtermist removes that fog, removes that health and safety issue and makes it a nicer environment to work in.